Hello, you guys. Welcome back to Kawanda Collectibles. What we're going to show is my package I finally got from, what is it called, you guys? It's called TEMU. Ooh, TEMU. Hope y'all see that. So what we're going to do is open it. Hope everybody having a good day today. I'm tired, so if I look tired, excuse the look, because the sister's tired. The sister's tired, okay? And I know, surprise, I'm showing my face. Some told me to just get on here, y'all, and just do it. So I was like, this shouldn't take long. So I just said I'm gonna hop on here and get this done. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull out the items. I have another pack of items too. I have another bag of stuff. But let's see. This is a t-shirt I got from TEMU. I hope I'm pronouncing that name right. Okay, I like the shirt. This is a 3X. I like my shirts big. This is a 3X, hope you can see that. It says Faith. Yeah, okay. So it's not bad. I'm not big, but this is those kind of shirts that hug you though. So, you know, sister girl might gotta lose a little more weight for it, but I might be idle. But this is nice. You guys, I've been waiting to open this box, this package, and I've been wanting to show you all, you know, just doing something a little different. You know, do something different. And I try to open my other one, this weekend, because I have another package from them also. And I like Lovely Wholesale. I like the little bags that comes with it. The bags are nice. Nice bags. I like the bags. This is another t-shirt I bought. Oh, this feels so comfortable. Oh, they actually got all on this size. What size is this one? And see, this one doesn't have a size on it. See, now I like this size. See, this one is bigger. You see that? Hope y'all can see that. This one is much bigger. And it says, please don't try me. Try Jesus. He's still working on me. Hello. That's what I say. And I like this shirt too. It's a nice shirt. Put that back in the bag. You guys know I was scared to get on here and do this, but I did say I will be trying some different stuff this time. Okay, these the rags. Oh no. So that cuts off. Oh man, you guys. Look, I'm trying to do something new. So I hope this turned out right. I didn't know. I'm trying to record on my laptop, y'all. And the laptop just went out just now. So I probably was supposed to put it on a timer. Yeah, I think that's what I was supposed to do. This midnight turned out right. I thought these were actually a little bigger, but they're not. These are right teeny, but they come in different colors. They are teeny. I thought they were gonna be a little bigger than this, but they're not. It's quite a few rags. I don't know if y'all can see that. They're different color ones. And I bought some sponges. It didn't cost much at all for these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. I love using the sponges. My husband does too. Seems like I must have to go fast. Oh, and these are some miniature makeup brushes and stuff. Hope I ain't too far for you guys. These are some makeup brushes. Nice. I don't need big ones. So these makeup brushes, I hope you can see that. I hope I'm not too far away from the camera. My husband said it had looked okay. Then I have some stuff look a little different. I bought a necklace or a bracelet. I don't know what this is. Let me see. I hope this turned out right. I don't know. I can't get in here. See, this is what I hate. See, I hate opening up stuff. I can't get in it. Let's see, I'm coming. Okay. This don't seem like it want to work with me. I'm gonna try to get this open. Okay, what we're gonna do? Yeah, very simple. I cut the bag. Okay. Okay. I don't know how. Oh, excuse me. It's a stacker. Oh, this emerald is pretty. It's green. 3 necklaces. Oh, you can see that. Nice. 3 necklaces. I like the emerald. Pretty. And I don't know what this is. Y'all were so excited on there. I just was buying stuff. I wasn't paying attention to what I was buying. Their bags are open, so I have to rip the bags. Okay. I don't know what this is. Okay. I don't know what I bought here. This one is different. The pearls with some little charms hanging on it. Oh, and then I have, oh, they're cute. I have these, they go on Crocs. I don't know if y'all can see it. I could be too far back. That one. Let's see. My chair doesn't move right. Okay, so let me see if I can move a little closer to y'all. Maybe I'm too far, I don't know. So I have a whole lot of these. Can you see that? My camera keep going off. I don't know if this turned out right. But it's a whole lot of these. But what I'm going to do anyway is show all this over on another video. Anywho, let's see what this is. Yeah, I ate a burger. I haven't had a burger in a minute. I caught myself trying a burger. Okay, these are for your Q-tips to go. Really, really. for the Q-tips. So go in. I'm gonna have the next time use. I'm using my laptop. These for my Q-tips to go in. Voila. My Q-tips. And I got this one here. I don't know what this one was. I'm piling everything up over here. Oh no. These are for my cotton balls, this one. And this one is for the Q-tips. This one is for the Q-tips right here. I hope I'm looking right. I'm working on, I'm nervous, you guys, so you probably can tell that I'm a little nervous here. But, this is nice for the Q-tips. That's pretty cool, pretty awesome. The Q-tips could go in there. That's cute. Oh, I forgot. I got me some clippers. Some clippers. Some clippers, y'all. Got me some clippers. This case is cute. This case is cute. I like this case. Okay. You squeeze it and open it. Okay. That gold is nice. Teeny. Real nice. Okay. You can see that. Teeny. It's teeny, but it's nice. It's a nice little case. Probably get a nice gift for somebody, I guess. I'm trying to see how you open it again. I'll work with that later. Then we have some gloves. You know, to wash our body off with. Got an orange and lime. You guys are leaving all that stuff right there. Don't feel like cleaning it up. And some sponges, makeup sponges, or whatever you all call these, because I don't wear makeup. But the plan is to learn how to apply makeup this year. So here's the little different cotton balls. Not cotton balls, sponge makeup sponges. You can tell I don't do makeup because I don't really know the name, but they're sponge. Then I have, I think this is for the, I think this is for the makeup brushes, but I think this will be too short for the makeup brushes. Oh no, they'll fit. Either the makeup brushes could go in here. The makeup brushes might be going there, I'm not sure. Then, oh, these are too cute. Actually, I'm gonna show these on another video too. I have these, but you may not be able to see them that good now. But I will be showing them again. If you guys hear the bumping, that's my neighbors. Then I have these in turn. I like all of them too. This is not what I thought it was. But we have these. These go on your hair. They're not what I think I picked the wrong thing. Give these to my niece. I picked out the wrong thing. And I have some more of these that goes on people's Crocs. You see those? Now, I don't know you guys that have Starbucks in there. And pizza. Dang. Yeah, everything falling. Excuse me. I can see me try to bend down, which is not. Oh, I forgot I had got this. It's a little mic. Let's see how it's a little microphone. Let me put this into the I'm gonna try it out. They say you put it into your what you call it, guys? Into your computer or something like that. I'll try that out too. Then I bought these the air things that goes in the car. And of course they're elephants. They go in the car. The elephants. The air fresheners go in the car. If you all have an idea of how it's supposed to work, here's another elephant. They're the same. Oh, I didn't think I bought two. I didn't buy but one. They gave me two. Maybe I let one be a giveaway. And then I have, of course, some more are they called fidgets? I don't know what they're called, but they had different ones. Okay, well, that's it for my TEMU bag of stuff that I had. I have another one, but probably show that one over the weekend. I'm not sure, but I hope you all enjoyed that video of me opening the TEMU stuff. I actually like everything. Yeah, I kind of like all the items I have. Didn't realize that these were really gonna be small, but they for the kitchen, so it's fine. You know, you don't need no big dishcloths for your kitchen anyway. So these are for the kitchen, and my sponges. And I actually love these. Gonna get ready to put these in my bathroom. Yeah. So give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. And thought I'd surprise everyone and get on here and do a little unboxing of something different. These items that I purchased for myself personally, and the one I opened Saturday is another one that bought personally for myself. I may open that one this weekend, I'm not sure. I may end up opening jewelry, unboxing jewelry. So again, you guys enjoy your rest of your night, and yeah, be blessed. Bye-bye. Okay, I don't know how to turn you guys off. This is not good. Oh, y'all looking at me. Hi, I'm trying to see how to turn you all off. So I don't know if that turned out right. Not at all. I did all that, but you didn't record.